Casey Ames here, and we're here with another video today. I'm going to do something a little bit different to what I would usually do. I know that we generally do the coin reviews on here, which is going on quite well. And just to start, I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch the videos. Thanks to all the guys who are already subscribing. If you're not subscribing, guys, please give me a like. Subscribe to the channel. We're only getting stronger. And please share the video amongst your social media. Okay, we're trying to build a network here where we can all share information, we can all learn. Cryptocurrency is obviously only in its infancy. Please leave some comments and let me know what videos you would like to see next. I've done quite a few coin reviews, and I want to do videos that you guys are interested in, so leave some comments. But today, what I'm going to discuss is ledger wallets, okay? And if you don't know what I mean, I'm just going to explain that to you now. What I found recently when I'm speaking to a lot of people who are investing in crypto, there's people who have, quite a bit of money invested, up in the multiples of thousands, and they leave those coins on an exchange. Now, look, I use exchanges such as Binance. They've had an issue this week where the exchange was down. However, you do have to have some trust in the exchanges, I believe, because they're the guys, where your money is, where you're making money, and you do have to have some trust in them. But, the way I see it, would you leave, 10 grand, 15 grand, 20 grand, even more than that, kind of just sitting in PayPal or something like that? I personally wouldn't. We have a lot of issues around cryptocurrency where, we want to be decentralized, we don't trust the banks. So why are you trusting the exchanges? If something goes wrong with that exchange gets hacked, which has happened in the past to various exchanges, there's a big chance that money could disappear, could be gone, and there's nothing you can do about it. And all I like to say, guys, they may be your coins, you think they're your coins, but if they're sitting on an exchange, they're not your coins. You could try to log on these exchanges tomorrow, and it could be down. I will put a link into my subscription for Binance, which is probably one of the better exchanges out there. If you're not already a member, you can join up. But yep, today I'm going to run you through ledgers. Okay. Now this is a good one which I have purchased myself. Okay, and what this is, give me a second. It's the Ledger Nano. You can come on to ledgerwallet.com. Okay, I'll put a link into the description so you can come and have a look at this. And what these are, guys, these are a little bit of hardware. It's a cryptocurrency hardware wallet where you can basically download all of your cryptocurrency onto this wallet. You can put it somewhere safe in your house, and you can basically keep your currency safe somewhere. Okay. Now I know, look, a lot of people kind of think, oh, well, it's easier. I can log on to Binance. I can basically see how much my investment is worth in dollars. It's very easy to do that still, guys. All right, you can. There's certain applications that you can get. One which I use at the moment, an application which can keep track of things for me. It's called CoinStats. It is available on the iStore and on Google Play, CoinStats. And what you do is you go into that app and you just input how many coins you have and how much it costs you. So, for example, you go in there and you see, okay, so on April the 5th, 2017, I bought Ripple at 22 cents and I bought 1,000 of them. Bang, you save it in there. You move on to the next one. I bought Tron at X amount. At what price, on what date? You save it in the app. And then that will give you your ups and downs, your profit and loss, and show you where you stand. And that will change on a daily basis. And there's not actually any funds in there. It's just a tracker. And your funds will be saved on the Ledger Nano. So we have a little look in this. So the Ledger Blue, it's not something that I've looked at, and the Crypto Steel and the ODGK is not things I haven't looked at. But the Ledger Nano 5 is something that I think is absolutely fantastic. So it's compact, it's durable, an OLED screen, and buttons, multi-currency, and it's extendable with other apps. Okay. Just move this out of the way. So if we click, if you come on this website, which I will put the link in, you can click on the cryptocurrency and you can see which coins you can hold on there. So Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, got Doge, Zcash, XRP, Ripple, Dash, Straits, Commando, Arc. Look, the list goes on and on and on. Okay, so quite a substantial amount of your portfolio can be saved on to the onto the Nano stick, and from what I believe, they are adding cryptocurrencies on a regular basis. There's documentation here which can give you a little some information on each cryptocurrency, and if you're interested, there's actually a roadmap on here, telling you which way the business is going, ledgerwallet.com is going, so you can have a little look at that as well. But I just want to kind of point this out to you guys that this does exist, and you don't need to just be entirely trusting the exchanges to leave your cash on there. So you can come into here, all right, and you can have a look at the roadmap. I'm not going to run you guys through this. It's up to you if you want to have a read in this. It's not the same as looking at a roadmap for a crypto coin. But they are a new company. People could be a little bit skeptical. What happens if they're just trying to harvest everybody's coins? But they're certainly not. There's various videos in here, guys, so you can come in, have a look. It will bring you through a bit of a tutorial. So you come into videos and click Nano. That will load up, and there's some videos that you can watch in here. You can simply, when you decide to buy, you can simply buy online. I'll bring you back through to here. Oh, and you're looking at 94 euros, okay, for the Nano. Well worth it. Say you have $10,000 worth of investment saved on an exchange, and it gets hacked and it goes down. And you lose everything. Heartbreaking for you. You have to start again. You've missed all the dips. You're absolutely broke. You've got to tell the wife, oh geez, it's not worth thinking about. So 94.80, guys, for this. Keep all of your cryptocurrency safe. And I just think it's an absolutely fantastic buy. I've got one. I'm using it now, and it's just worth a look. All right, but I just thought I'd bring this to your attention, guys. A lot of people don't know about this, and I thought that I would let you guys kind of see what is out there, what is available, and how things are moving within cryptocurrency. Keep you safe and secure. Please, guys, give me a like, subscribe for more videos, leave comments, and let me know what videos you want to see next. Have a fantastic day. This is Casey Ames. Bye bye.